In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in Trade Republic. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wealth tab up top left, and then from here you want to go to, of course, Orders up top. So you want to tap on Orders, and you want to create an order where you want to set a stop loss. So for example, I'm going to go to Add at the bottom right, and then here I'm just going to search for an ETF. For this example, of course, you can do whatever you want here. I'm just going to do an example, this Core S&P 500 USD here. And as you can see, if I tap on the Buy button at the bottom right, it's going to give me the Invest option. And from here, if I tap on the three dots to actually do a custom amount, you can see at the bottom left, it's going to say Amount. Now, when you tap on that, it's going to give you one of the options, which is called Stop, and it says buy shares after the share price reaches a set price. So simply tap on Stop over here, and then from here, you can go ahead and, of course, create your order. You can tap on Next over here, and then you will, of course, have to go ahead and set your stop loss as well. So over here, of course, if the price reaches 700, buy, and then I'm going to do 1 over here, and then I'm going to do Next, and then from here, of course, you'll be able to go ahead and select the time period as well. So for example, if I do today, and I can just go ahead and tap on Create down at the bottom, and that's going to do it. So the first thing you'll have to type in is basically your set stop loss price, and then the second thing you'll have to set is basically the amount you want to purchase. Now, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.